Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to increase fuel efficiency of petrol car, easy method. Start by checking tire pressure and removing excess weight to improve mileage. Maintain steady speeds and use cruise control where safe to reduce fuel burn. Avoid aggressive acceleration and hard braking to save petrol. Keep engine tuned and use quality spark plugs for cleaner combustion. Small habits add up to meaningful savings and a smoother drive. In this video, I will show how to increase fuel efficiency of petrol car, easy method. Focus on gentle acceleration and planning routes to avoid congestion. Anticipate traffic to glide to stops rather than braking hard. Drive at moderate speeds, as fuel efficiency often peaks below highway extremes. Remove roof racks when not needed to cut drag. These simple driving habit changes reduce fuel use and stress, making each trip more efficient and enjoyable. In this video, I will show how to increase fuel efficiency of petrol car, easy method. Keep your car well maintained with regular oil and filter changes for smoother operation. Check and replace worn spark plugs to ensure complete combustion. Clean fuel injectors periodically to maintain spray patterns and economy. Ensure tires are rotated and aligned to distribute wear evenly. Proactive maintenance prevents small problems from becoming big fuel drains and keeps your car running reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.